Panda. Bear. Rhino. Horse. Cat. Lioness. Dog. Flamingos, scientifically belonging to the family Phoenicopteridae, are uniquely distinctive among the avian world due to their unparalleled elegance and extraordinary adaptations. What sets them apart is their iconic pink plumage, which results from their diet rich in carotenoid pigments. This exceptional hue, coupled with their long, slender legs and gracefully curved necks, allows flamingos to wade gracefully in shallow waters, filtering their meals of aquatic organisms through specialized bills equipped with comb-like structures. Moreover, the captivating communal behavior of flamingos sets them apart, as they often gather in large, synchronized flocks. These gatherings serve as both a protective measure against predators and an exquisite spectacle for onlookers. While their exquisite appearance is well known, it's their social grace and ecological significance in maintaining aquatic ecosystems that make flamingos truly extraordinary.